Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a lemon tart. So first, let's make the tart. You can start by adding 3 tablespoons of sugar to the flour. Then add half a cup of butter. Then incorporating the butter by hand. You want to make the butter about the size of oatmeal. All measurements of the ingredients will be listed down below in the description. Now you can slowly add ice cold water until it forms a dough. Don't worry if you add a bit too much water. While you're kneading the dough, just add a bit more flour until the dough is not sticky anymore. So now with the rolling pin, you can roll out the dough so it's about 1 inch to 2 inches bigger than the pan that you are going to use. Now you can take the dough and place it onto the pan. So now with the rolling pin, we'll just take the dough and place it onto the pan. Adjust if you need to, and then place the sides of the dough into the sides of the pan so that the edges are sturdy. If you missed some of the dough on one side like I did, you can just take the excess dough and place it there, and that's what I did for all the other pieces of the dough. So now, taking a fork, you can press little holes into the bottom of the pan and then bake off the tart. After getting the zest of 2 lemons, you can juice those lemons and put that aside. Then with the zest, you can mix it into the sugar and the cornstarch and add 3 eggs. And while I was doing this, I was also heating up the lemon juice in a little saucepan until it was hot. Taking the lemon juice after it's heated up, while whisking, you can slowly add it. This is called tempering. now, to be on the safe side, I made a makeshift double boiler with a little saucepan with some water. I put the bowl on top and I'm going to heat the mixture until it's quite warm. Now after the mixture has heated up a bit, I transferred it into a saucepan, constantly whisking on medium-low heat until it got thick. I forgot to film this part, but I also added half a cup of butter in once it was thick. And now we are almost done. You just have to pour the filling into the tart shell and decorate with some icing sugar and maybe a garnish or two, and then it's ready to enjoy. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you.